السلام عليكم ومرحبا بكم يا أصدقائي الأعزاء. Hi guys, welcome to Serious Arabic. I hope you're all doing well and you're ready for some more Arabic. So, in today's lesson, we are going to start learning about cases. Now, cases are a fundamental part of Arabic grammar. I'd say they're a little more intermediate advanced, so I think we're ready to start learning about them. We've seen them in some example sentences. We've seen them briefly, but I haven't been able to properly explain them as I wanted to devote videos specifically for cases. So in Arabic, there are three cases, and the case that we're going to look at today is the nominative case. المرفوع. Okay, let's get started. لنبدأ. So firstly, what are cases? Case endings in Arabic are small diacritical marks, harakat, added to the end of words to indicate their grammatical role in a sentence. So they help us identify how the word functions in the sentence. For example, is it the subject or is it the object? So, المرفوع, the nominative case. This is indicated by the dhamma vowel, okay, which makes the oo sound. So let's just have a look at these two examples firstly. الرجل. This is a definite noun, and we know it is definite because of the L, the. So a definite noun has the. Okay, or is the in English, so L at the start. So الرجل, okay, the man. But compare it to this sentence, رجلون. This is an indefinite noun. It means a man. Now this, you're wondering what this is. This is something in Arabic called tenween, okay? So this indicates, tenween indicate that a noun is indefinite, okay? So it's kind of like, it looks a bit like a dhamma with something added to it, okay? It makes the oon sound, so rajulun. This means a man, okay? So definite will have the L and it will be just dhamma in the nominative case. Indefinite, no L, and instead it will just have the tenween, making the oon sound. Now this leads us very nicely to the first usage of the nominative case that we're going to study today, which is the nominative case is also the standard form for words that appear by themselves. So prime example here, this word appears by itself, the man, الرجل. So if we want to say the man or the house, البيت, okay, or a man, رجلون. So it's a word that appears by itself, so it needs the nominative case. A couple more examples to illustrate this more. So again, it's the standard form for a word that appears by itself, a word by itself. The house, it's a definite noun, so البيت. So it's definite, el, so it takes the dhamma. Now, بيتون, indefinite noun, a house, بيتون, so it needs the tenween. The girl, just by itself. البنت, definite noun, so it takes the dhamma and it has the L. A girl, just by itself. Bintun, so it's indefinite, no L, and it takes the tenween. Okay, let's move on to the next usage now. So we use the marfu'a, the nominative case, which is indicated by the dhamma, for the subject of a verbal sentence. So الفعل في جملة فعلية. Now, a verbal sentence in Arabic, or جملة فعلية, is a sentence that begins with a verb. So, in Arabic, we have this order for a verbal sentence. So it's verb, subject, object. So, أكل الرجل الخبز. So, easy sentence. The man ate the bread. So first let's analyze it. Our verb, أكل, to eat. Subject. The man, الرجل. This is the subject, and the subject of a verbal sentence is in the nominative case. That's why it takes the dhamma. Al-khubza, this is the object, the bread, the object of the verb, and that is in the accusative case, as indicated by the fatha. Now, don't worry too much about this for now, because we will see a separate video devoted to the accusative case. It's just so you can understand why there is a fatha there. Okay, let's move on to some more examples to reinforce this. ذهبت البنت إلى المتجر. The girl went to the shop. So, firstly, verb ذهبت, to go. ذهبت, she went. Subject, البنت. Now the subject in a verbal sentence is in the nominative case, so that's why it takes the dhamma. That's why the u sound on top. إلا is to. المتجري is the shop. Now it's المتجري with the kasra underneath because this noun is in the genitive case. This is because it comes after a preposition. So if a noun comes after, yes, so after a preposition, then the noun is in the genitive case. المتجري. We'll also see a separate video on the genitive case, okay? وجد الولد الهاتف. The boy found the phone. So verb, وجد, to find. Subject is الولد, the boy. Now the subject in a verbal sentence is in the nominative case. That's why there is the dhamma on top. الهاتف is the telephone. الهاتف with the fatha on top because it is the object of the verb. So it is in the accusative case. Just for reference, by the way, if this was an indefinite sentence, if it was indefinite, for example, a boy found the phone, it would be وجد ولدون الهاتف. So ولدون. So that would be indefinite, a boy. So indicated by the tanween, it wouldn't have the L. Next one. جلب الكاتب الكتاب. The writer brought the book. So جلب is the verb to bring. الكاتب, the writer, this is the subject in a verbal sentence, is in the nominative case as indicated by the dhamma. And then الكتاب, this is the object, book, and it has the fatha on top because it is in the accusative case because it is the object of the verb. Just for reference again, if we wanted to say a writer brought the book, so an indefinite noun, جلب كاتب الكتاب. So a writer, كاتب. The tanween would indicate that it is indefinite. Now, the final usage of the nominal case that we are going to see today is the المبتدا والخبر في جملة اسمية. So this is the subject and predicate of a nominal sentence are in the nominative case. Now, what do we mean here? جملة اسمية, a nominal sentence. This is a sentence that starts with a noun, as opposed to a verbal sentence, which begins with a verb, as we just saw. So this begins with a noun. So let's just see the sentence. الرجل كبير. The man is big. Let's break it down. So the subject, or in Arabic, المبتدا, is what the sentence is about. The man, okay? This is about the man, this sentence. So he is the subject, and the subject in a nominal sentence is in the nominative case. So that's why it's indicated by the dhamma. Now we've got the predicate, the khabar. Now khabar in Arabic means news. Okay, so think of it as news, tells us something about the subject. This is telling us something about the man. It's telling us that he is big, kabirun. And also we can see here from the usage that the predicate is in the nominative case and it's indicated by the tanween. So kabirun. Okay. Now notice here that I've written the is in brackets because in Arabic we don't write the verb to be in the present tense in this context. We just say the man big, or the house, for example in English the house is small. In Arabic it would just be البيت صغير, like quite literally the house small. Okay, so it's sort of, you don't have the verb in Arabic, but in English you do. Okay, let's move on. Let's see some more examples. البنت طويلة. The girl is tall. Okay, so we've got our subject, البنت. So the subject is in the nominative case, بنت, indicated by the dhamma. And then so مبتدا, that's the subject. خبر, the predicate. طويلة. So طويلة is tall, and the predicate, or the خبر, is also in the nominative case. So it's طويلة, indicated by the dhamma with the tanween, the un sound. Okay. البيت صغير. The house is small. So our subject, البيت, or the mubtada, البيت is in the nominative case, dhamma, and then the khabar, or the predicate, is صغير. It's also in the nominative case and indicated by the tanween, so un sound. Finally, الخبز لذيذ. The bread is delicious. So our subject, or our mubtada, is الخبز, and it's in the nominative case, so indicated by the dhamma. And then the khabar, or the predicate, is لذيذ. It's also in the nominative case, indicated by the tanween, the un sound. That's all for today. I hope you found this video useful. If you've got any questions, please do leave them in the comment section. Please like, subscribe, and share this with anyone else that wants to learn Arabic. شكرا جزيلا وإلى اللقاء.